morning. You know me? Yes, I'm Arnold. We learned something funny today. Let me help you. Are you ready? Good morning, Arnold. Good morning, brothers. I'm Ali. I will help Arnold. Are you ready?
This is balloon. Say it. Balloon.
Balloon, balloon, balloon.
This is book. Say it. Book.
Book, book, book.
Thank you. Ollie, you were excellent. Now, my teacher, can you draw a big book and a big balloon on the board, please? Thank you. My dear teacher. Now, my brothers, who can write the word book and the word balloon on the board? Thank you. My dear teacher. Goodbye.
You're welcome, sir. Goodbye.